kulen hinghama jassuwa foleni male
Omar ಮೇಲುಕೇತ ತಂಗೋಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹುಂಗಾದವುನಿ ಅಮ್ಮಾರು ಅರ ಹಾಸ್ವಿ ಓ ವರಬ್ಬೊಡಂ ಮಾಫ ಎದೆಂ ಮಗಮತಿನ್ ದಿಮಾವಿ ಕುಜ್ಜಕ ಎಹಿತೆರಿ ವೆಲಂ ಮಡುಕೊಲ್ಲೆವುನೀಮ ಕೊಡಕೊಲ್ಲಸುವಿ එහෙන් තතිකුරි හාද ರಂಗಳು ಕಮಕೆ ಮಿಗಟಿಗ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ನೋತಿ ತಿಕಮ ಹಾಸ್ತ ಕೊಲ್ಲಾಫ LKG ಈಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಲ್ಲವಾಲವ್ವ. Once upon a time there lived two little girls with their mother in a small hut. The hut was far away from the town. The two girls are Isha and Asha. One day Isha and Asha's mother fell ill. Mommy, are you okay? Mommy, are you sick? You look very pale. I think I have caught a terrible fever and cold. I don't want you to worry too much about it, but I don't think it's getting any better. Mommy, there must be something we can do. There's one thing. I have a friend called Veena. She makes herbal medicine. Mommy, let's go and get the medicine from her. Oh, Asha, I am too sick to go out. Don't worry, Mommy. We can go to Zeena's house. But where does she live? Oh, you are so kind. Now listen carefully. First you must find the spring well, and then you will come and cross the baker's stall. Ask the baker to show you the orchard. Then ask the gardeners at the orchard to show you Zeena's house. Okay, Mommy. We shall head off now. We'll try to come with the medicine as soon as possible. Be careful and take care. We will, Mommy. Goodbye. See you soon, inshallah. Goodbye. I hear someone crying. I think it's coming from there. Let's go and see. Assalamu alaikum. I am Isha. And I am Asha. Walaikum assalam. My name is Anna. And this is my little brother Mu'an. Why are you crying, Mu'an? I accidentally broke my bucket. We used it to take water out of the well. Now the villagers can't take water. Don't be sad. We will help you to fix that bucket.
I like to help, we like to help. Helping is a good manner, so helping is the thing to do. Helping is the thing to do. I like to help, we like to help. Helping is a good manner, so helping is the thing to do. Helping is the thing to do.
Yay! It is fixed. Now it looks brand new. Jazakillahi khairan.
Barakallah feekum. We are looking for the baker's stall.
Do you know where the baker's stall is? Yes, it's over there. Can you smell that? Isn't it pleasant? The baker's bread is delicious.
Jazakallah khairan.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Look, Asha, there's a long line of people waiting.
What is going on? Maybe there is an event.
Why is everyone so excited? Let's go and find out. Assalamu alaikum. Do you know why everyone is gathered? Walaikum salam. This is the baker's stall. Everyone comes here to buy the baked goods. But today the baker's clay oven is broken and he can't bake.
Isha, let's go and help the baker.
What a wonderful idea. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam.
I am Asha, and this is my sister Isha.
What is that thing over there? That is my clay. I use it to bake bread and cake. But today the clay oven is cracked, so I can't bake.
We can help you to fix that clay oven.
I like to help, we like to help. Helping is a good manner, so helping is the thing to do. Helping is the thing to do. I like to help, we like to help. Helping is a good manner, so helping is the thing to do. Helping is the thing to do.
Now the clay oven is fixed, Mr. Baker.
Now I can bake. Jazakumullah khairan, girls. Barakallah feek, Mr. Baker. Can you point us in the direction of the orchard? It's right over there. Be careful, girls.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Asha, this is it. I think we are in the orchard.
Look, Isha, there is a gardener. Let's go ask her for direction. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Do you know the way to Zeena's house? Yes, it's the end of the orchard.
Why do you look so sad?
Our ladder is broken. We can't pluck the fruits. Don't worry, we will help you to fix the ladder.
I like to help, we like to help. Helping is a good manner, so helping is the thing to do. Helping is the thing to do. I like to help, we like to help. Helping is a good manner, so helping is the thing to do. Helping is the thing to do.
Yeah, it's fixed. Thank you so much. Jazakumullah khairan. Look, Asha, I think that's Zeena's house.
Yes, let's knock on the door. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How can I help you, girls? My mom is terribly ill. She's having a fever.
Can you give us some medicine?
I have just the right thing for her. Let me go and get the medicine. This will be 2 rupiah. Jazakallah khairam. Barakallah feekuma. Asha, let's go home quickly.
But I am so tired and hungry, Isha.
Hold on for a while. We'll go home and eat. It won't take long. Hey, look, here are Asha and Isha. We want to thank you for helping us. Here are some fruits for you for helping us. Thank you so much. We will give it to our mother. She's very sick. Jazakallah khairam. Goodbye. Barakallah feekuma. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Here are some bread and cake for you. Jazakallah khairan for helping me.
Barakallah feek.
Goodbye, Mr. Baker. There's the well, Asha. Let's go drink some water.
Yes, I am so thirsty.
Hey everyone, this is Asha and Isha. They helped us to fix our bucket.
Thank you and Jazakumullah khairan, dear Asha and Isa.
If you hadn't fixed the bucket for us, we wouldn't be able to cook today. And we couldn't have washed my clothes. It's okay, everyone. We were so glad to lend a helping hand.
Yes, happiness is fun. You can make friends.
Here is some fresh water. Bismillah.
Bismillah. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam.
Here are your medicines, Mommy.
These are some gifts the gardeners and the baker gave us for helping them.
I am so happy that you helped.
We should always be kind and help others. Now let's have dinner.
Asha, Isha and their mother had a nice dinner with fresh fruits and freshly baked cake and bread. With the medicine, their mother got better and they lived very happily.